Now we have an order back here. We're under Sales Orders, and we want to manage our orders. Notice how we just have one order here, so let's create a new one. To create a new order, we don't always have to do it from the front end. We can also click this Create New Order button right here. And you'll notice you'll have your customers. By default, John Doe exists in here. However, any customer that signs up for your store will be listed here. If they're not here, you can create a new customer with the information that they've given you. Chances are, if you're creating a new order, you have all their information or they're on the phone and you just want to, take care of this quickly for them so you can get the information then and create a new customer. However, I'm going to click My Name and it's going to be in the English version of this store. So here, I'm going to click this Add Products button and we'll just select one of these and we can say 2 of these. Now that this checkbox is checked, I have 2 in the quantity to add. We still need to click this Add Selected Product button to order. This is now in here, and we could change this a custom price if we needed to. Let's see, we have a quantity of 2, and look, it's all good. We can even remove it if we need to. However, this is exactly what we want. Now, if you'll notice, it has my customers' billing and shipping information already in. Next, we just need to click this Get Shipping Methods. It's going to return some shipping methods, and we're going to say they're paying with check or money order again, and in-store pickup, and let's submit this order. Notice how there's a checkbox for email order confirmation. It seems like a nice thing to do, however, not totally necessary if your customer is knowing and fully aware of this purchase. However, we're just going to leave this checked for now. We'll click Submit Order. This order has been created, and let's go to our orders page. We now see that there's 2 orders. Perfect. Well, what happens if a customer is all of a sudden not wanting to do their order? Well, we can manage that from 2 locations. We could come into our order by clicking it, and then click Cancel. We could also resend an email. However, we could do that from here, just by checking this checkbox, and then our Actions drop down in the top right, we could say Cancel, and then Submit. Now, this order's been canceled, and it shows up in our orders as canceled. Now, what happens if we just want to see only the pending orders? Well, we can do that by clicking this status dropdown, and we can click pending. And now when we click search, it's only going to show us our pending orders. Well, this is perfect. Well, what happens if we want to see all of orders? Of course, we can either click reset filter or we can set the status to be blank. Let's just click reset filter. Now, I want to see our pending and our canceled orders still, but I want to see our pending orders at the top. Well, by clicking the status at the top here, it's going to reorder them. Click it again. Now pending's at the top. By default, it's always going to have it by your order number. This way, your most recent order is at the top, regardless if it's canceled, pending, invoice, shipped, or anything. Great, so we now know how to manage our orders. So now we're ready to take this to the next step. This order is pending, and we want to make it so it's invoiced. So in the next video, we're going to go over the process of invoicing this order. And then in the video after that, we're going to talk about shipping the order and completing the entire process.